These are very difficult times that we are living. We see United States and China really having this immense trade war. And of course, what we see around the world is that everybody's looking for new trade partners. When it comes to Europe, then I think 87% of the partners, or 87% of the global trade is with third countries. So that is the picture. Of course, everybody wants to diversify their portfolios. It is clear that China has been the key enabler of Russia's war of aggression. NATO has stated this also in their statements. Now the question is, how are we getting this message across? China definitely wants to have good trading relations with Europe, as we are a very big market. We don't want the overcapacities to our market, and at the same time we want this war to stop. That also requires cooperation from the Chinese side. So this is the theater where we have to operate and find the solutions. Thank you.
Thank you very much. This concludes our press conference. Thank you, High Representative. Thank you, Commissioner. Have a nice evening.
Thank you.